If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you should focus on creating good content. The content you generate should be engaging, fun, informative, and eye-catching. Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to write content for affiliate marketing. Learning how to write the best content for affiliate marketing should be done through a fun process. Before you start thinking about the type of content you should create for affiliate marketing, you should know some basic tips that will help you create your content. Now I present them to you. Number 1, you must personalize your content. Here the most important thing is to be transparent about the product you are going to promote. You must tell the truths of the product, and you must explain very well what are the advantages of using that product. On many occasions, affiliate marketers fears that the reviews made by people who have already bought the products affect the sale of these products. But it is important to always go with the truth, since the success of selling the product through affiliate marketing depends on this. Number 2, centralized content based on readers. You must write your content based on the readers. You must think what they want. For this, it is important to know in advance what readers think about products similar to the ones you are going to sell. You must take into account aspects such as characteristics of the product and even the price, since interested people pay close attention to how much they are going to invest in products of the same type that you sell. Thinking and acting in this way will increase the value of the product and will make readers connect much more to what you are selling. Number 3, you must pay attention to what is being sold today. Promoting products that are not in today's trends will cause your affiliate marketing to fail. Your content will not be read even if you really like the product you are promoting. It is not about what you like, but what readers and customers like. Selling to users what they really want is essential. So you must do a previous research of the product similar to yours and see what is popular today. The future success of selling your product requires that you have the most positive comments. Number 4, you must mask your content. You should try to naturally incorporate your content into stories or something similar that does not make user feel that you are selling them directly the product, but rather a story that solves a problem at some point. If users realize that the only thing you are looking for is to sell a product, you will fail. You must find a way to connect with them to be able to sell it. So the technique of masking the content is excellent to create trust among your customers. Number 5, you must specialize in only one category. Always staying in a single category when it comes to the promotion and reviews of a product is a very good marketing tool. When you do this, your followers will see you as an expert in that specific area, and they will immediately ask you questions that will make you sell much more in the future. This will also lead to the creation of trust between them and creating a relationship with them. What type of content should you generate? Number 1, product reviews. The product review turns out to be one of the most classic forms of content type within affiliate marketing, and it is also understood that it is one of the most common ways to increase sales. This type of content is written in a way that gives a basic description of the product being promoted. Give your pros and cons and have the personal opinion of the product. What makes this the most read type of content is how honest the person turns out to be, how honest it is to project their idea. What you say in these reviews must show an authentic way for you to create a connection with the readers and clients. The fact that you talk about the advantages and disadvantages is going to be that your review is much more credible by the readers. Number 2, video reviews. Due to the decrease in what is known as the attention span of internet users, written reviews turn out not to be so positively received by buyers. This is why making video reviews is more convenient since the internet users is becoming more and more visual. In the same way, the fact that the review is a video makes it better understandable by the person who is watching it. When you do a product review, you can show and explain directly how the product works. You can also compare it with something else of the same type, which makes it more received by internet users. Number 3, list. One of the forms that is very well received by readers is the reviews made in list forms. The lists are easy to read.
Easy.
These lists should start with the word top 10 or top 20, as this has been shown to capture voters' attention very quickly. The list allows you to make use of a number of things immediately, just as your direct opinion is allowed, allowing you to compare many products at the same time. Number 4, tutorials. An excellent way to promote anything on the internet is by giving a detailed tutorial regarding a product. For example, if there's a confusion regarding a specific product, what users do is read the tutorial and easily understand how it works. The good thing about using tutorials to make reviews is that in the tutorial article you can place much more links to other related affiliate marketing products. After viewing this video, you should understand how to write content for affiliate marketing. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.